Hey guys, Jason here at Fender Garage in Gilbert, Arizona. And so we create a lot of stuff here. Sometimes they're just one-off items because it's literally we're only going to come across it once. And so a lot of times we're making a product that we know we're probably going to need that again and probably several times after that. And if we need it, then maybe you guys need it. And so we're trying to get better at not just having it one-off for us, but maybe creating products for other people as well. So here is basically a concept. You can see it's just a piece of junk metal bracket that honestly we finish welding this up and we actually get it painted. It would actually look pretty cool. And so, but then again, it's a one-off product. We made it for us and it works for us and it solves the job. And at the end of the day, it's, you know, that's it. But we didn't actually help anybody. So I'm going to take you inside the office and kind of show you how we're starting to do things a little bit differently and show you some cool stuff we got working. All right, so come on in here in the office. And this is Trevor here. He does all of our CAD development and parts. And so what we've got here is a part that we've drawn in Inventor. And so it allows us to come up with a bracket that might perform a little bit better. And so you can see he's working on that and getting that dialed in. And then what we do over here is we actually have a 3D printer, and so it's actually printing a bracket for us so that we can test and see if this is going to work before we go to an actual product. And so we actually have one prototype that we've actually already completed and tested on the truck, and it wasn't precise, but it got us close. Anytime you're working with something like this and all the geometry and everything, you're just trying to get close the first time. And so we'll go out, I'll show you on the truck what it looks like, and you kind of see how it comes together here at Fender Garage. Weave our way through the shop. So maybe we'll grab a light here so that we can kind of show you what we're working on. So if you come over here on this side, here's our first prototype bracket that we're creating. And so on a Coyote swap, you need to be able to stop your shifter at drive. And so you got park, reverse, neutral, drive. Well, the other problem is getting reverse backup lights. And so what we've done is we're creating a bracket so that as it sweeps through reverse and you stop in reverse, it'll trigger this little sensor here and it'll kick your reverse lights on. And so again, it's something that could easily be made by just anybody in their garage, but we're trying to come up with a product that actually will save us time and money in the future. So anyways, that's basically what we got going on here, and we start with this and we'll eventually end up with a nice machined piece of aluminum that will have black anodized and will be available to anybody else out there. So hopefully that's helpful for you, and keep hot rodding.